I've redesigned 10 floor plans as case studies, showing different issues and possible ways to improve these layouts. You are a light sleeper. You've just inherited this ground floor 2-bedroom flat. The needed room is big enough to fit everything in. The slightly bigger room faces straight onto the pavement. Not only do you get the car noise, you've got people peeking in too. Last place you want your bed. So here's the move. Fuse the 2 rooms into one. Drop a walk-in closet right in the middle. It splits the suite in 2, and now you can slip over here and everything else on the other side. The bed is now properly insulated from the street, so you can sleep peacefully at night. Wake up the next morning, get dressed in a walk-in closet, either leave the house for work or work here in your home office. This bedroom, let's double that down. Thin, narrow, with this awkward king in the middle. A king-size bed just about fits. On the other side of the room, the proportion makes it feels like a long corridor. The whole bedroom feels tight. Here's what I'll do. Straighten out that kink. This way, bedroom next door also gets a proper run of storage, and it opens up the main bedroom too. While in this second bedroom, add a half-height divider. Enough to feel private, but it still lets the light through. Back to main bedroom. A king-size now fits. You can get in from all 3 sides. With the space gained from pushing the wall, a desk now sits comfortably here with storage behind, turning this into your private study. With the space that's left, a full run of wardrobes, forming a walk-in closet. Everything now feels much better proportioned. You found the perfect flat. There's just 2 problems. First, you've got a teenager, and there's no room that's properly his. There's a study, but it's too small to be a bedroom. Barely fits a desk, let alone a bed. So what would you do? Here's my take. Look next to it, the kitchen can afford to lose a little. So borrow from it by pulling this wall across. Remove some of these walls. Nudge these walls along to create new entrances. The study is now a proper sized bedroom. However, this layout change has a ripple effect. The kitchen now opens straight into the bedroom before going into the living and dining. So let's swap the rooms around so the kitchen opens into the living dining room instead. Now everyone can live comfortably with their own decent private space. If you love sneakers, need a home office, you may want to turn this bare bedroom into a sneaker room. Split it into 2 zones. Lose the guest toilet and turn this into a home office. Nice. Reconfigure the old layout and add a new guest toilet. And this remaining portion is for your sneaker collection. Go to sneakers stored up front. Rare pieces are stored back here, away from the sun. Bifold door here to connect the 2 spaces. Turn this window into the main entrance. Add a partition here to separate the flat. Now you can pass the collection on your way out. Pick a pair, lace up here, and head straight out the door. When friends come over, show off the collection here. You can also close this door to prevent anyone going into the living area without permission. You like the idea of an open bathroom, but then you realize the room is too small for it. Can't fit a king size in here. You also find this other bedroom doesn't even have a window. Since you have lots of clothes, turn that into a walk-in closet. I'll then remove these doors, this bathtub, but keeping the sink. Then put a new shower on the opposite wall. I'll also add a raised platform, so new drainage can run underneath to prevent the bedroom getting damp. The shower room should be kept enclosed. Use glass to keep the essence of an open bathroom. You live alone, so privacy between the shower and the bedroom isn't an issue. However, I would install shutter blinds to prevent overlooking from neighbours. This main bedroom, stunning view, but no toilets or dressing room. Both are out through the living and dining. Bad for privacy and convenience. Let's improve that. The living and dining is currently massive. Pull this wall across to form a new bedroom boundary. Existing bathroom feels oversized. Do this instead. Double vanity unit next to the door. Bathtub and shower in the back. This dressing area is quite big. You can fit a bed here. Give some of that to the sleeping area. You can now get out of bed on all 3 sides. Have a custom dressing table opposite the walk-in closet. This main bedroom now has 3 zones, split by function or private. Add a door here for quick access. So when you wake up, shower, get dressed, and head out, or in your own privacy, or have a bath after work. Then walk straight into the living area for some quality family time. You just bought a flat, but the layout isn't doing it for you. This bedroom has an awkward shape. If you place a single bed here, it blocks the wardrobe because of where the door is. Putting a desk here makes it cramped right at the entry. Rotating it 90 degrees will block access to the back garden. A quick fix is to relocate the door here, but at the same time, the living room is just too narrow. If I place a sofa here, it's already too close to the TV. If we move the sofa and TV over to the other side, you can see it fits much better. And since more time is spent in the living room, let's prioritize that. Remove these walls, swapping the living room and bedroom. Now the living room has more depth. As for the bedroom, push the door all the way to the left. That way there's more room for the dining area. I'll lay out the bedroom like so you can move through it in a straight line, making better use of the space. The living area is now much more spacious. Perfect for enjoying telly in the evening. If your bedroom faces the street, privacy is poor. it can be noisy too. No REM sleep. If you live by yourself, swap bedroom with living room. You're now insulated from the streets. The living and dining room are now small. Remove the wall. You can now maneuver better between these spaces. You can eat here now. The toilet facing table is bad. Flip the toilet. No bad smells during eating. Place a sofa here. You can watch your favorite TV show during dinner. Bedroom is too big. Portion a bit to form a walk-in closet. Remove the door here for better circulation. Add a reading nook. You can now read your bedtime story here. Add curtains for privacy. When friends are now over, you can draw the curtain. Your private space remains private. There you go. And finally, if you would like to see more of this content, please drop me a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'll see you next time.